Our topic today is antibiotics, its effect and resistance. Antibiotics usually act on bacteria only and not a virus. This is because the virus, they don't have their own cell structure, they have no metabolism of their own, and virus usually reproduce using the pathway of the host. That means they do nothing by themselves, they need a host. So if we kill a virus using an antibiotic, it is like killing the host also. Then bacterial resistance to antibiotics. Some bacteria, they are resistant to the antibiotics that we take. This is due to three reasons. One is due to mutation, some change in the gene. The gene becomes antibiotic resistant, or a bacteria can conjugate with another bacterial cell that carries resistant gene, or bacteria can get infected by a virus that carries the resistance gene. So these three ways are the ways in which a bacteria can become resistant to antibiotics. Now, what is the consequence of antibiotic? What is the problem that happens when someone becomes antibiotic resistant, or when the bacteria becomes antibiotic resistant? What happens is small procedures, routine operations, minor scratches, common infections can cause death, because when the bacteria enters our body, from these small problems, and we take antibiotics against it, if the bacteria doesn't get killed, they can prove fatal for us, they can kill us. And how can we reduce the antibiotic resistance? Prudent use means use antibiotics very less. Complete the course of the antibiotic given. If it's given for 5 days, completed. Surveillance is monitoring, checking if there is any new case of resistance in bacteria. Then, if there is any new case, to provide the data to doctors and healthcare professionals. Infection control, reduce the spread of infection. That means if there's any disease, to reduce the spread of that disease so that we don't use much antibiotics.